Let me show you how YouTube Creator AI is your one-stop shop for all your YouTube videos. Let's start over here. Let's go to the Topic Scout. Let's say you do videos on food. You do food reviews, things like that. So let's go ahead and hit Find Trends. And while we're doing that, let's come to the audience persona and let's put in food reviews and challenges. So let's say that's your channel niche. So we'll put in a few we'll put this in for an audience in its persona. Then let's go to the evergreen generator as well and put food reviews and challenges. Okay, so our audience persona ran. We have Flavor Fanatic Fiona. It gives us an example audience, what the viewer, what their viewer goals are as a viewer, and then some suggested video topics. So this gives us a good baseline of what videos we want to make if you're a food channel. Now we came up here, we had our Topic Scout run. So it's going to give us 5 great ideas for food. Of course, right now, Viral Holiday Appetizer Showdown, this would be great for the holidays. So let's save that to notes. Testing Tiny Younger's Viral Mac and Cheese. Okay, so this is a viral topic, so this is great. So, these are all topics that are going to get you views. So if you do a video about one of these topics, this is heavy search. People are gonna search and find your video here. Of course, the video still has to be good. So now we have some topics here. We also have an evergreen idea generator, and this is going to give you some more general topics that you can always make videos about for if you have a channel about food or food challenges. So now that we have some topics here, let's go ahead and do this as a topic. So we can generate titles for this particular topic. We can generate some keywords, and let's generate a thumbnail as well. So now we have the topic that we're going to do. We can also ask AI about this topic if we want to get some more specifics about it. Okay, so we have our descriptions here and our titles. So this gives us some potential titles for this video. It's going to rank these titles for us. I would go with this one here. Let's save all these to notes. Now it's going to give us some descriptions and keywords. It gives us a full description here. Let's save those. It's going to give us long tail keywords, some short tail keywords, and once we have our video done, a suggested file name. Now we have our thumbnail studio. It gives us a concept, some suggested captions. So let's go ahead and generate a thumbnail for this. So we can do a hyper real, digital painting, vintage film, anime, modern comics. So this gives us a bunch of options for a thumbnail. So here's a thumbnail, a potential thumbnail that we can look to use. We can change some of this here. Once again, I'm going through this real quick so you get a full idea, but you can add your own image here. So there's a lot of things that you can do to edit this thumbnail. So let's download that. We have our topics here all already. We have our evergreen topics. I'm going to save all these as well in case we want to go back and make a video about one of these. We have our audience persona, so we know what we should make videos about. Now let's go ahead and get a script outline. So we can hit script outline here. So if you're on camera doing a food video about this topic, this is going to give you a great outline that you can use for your video. You can also generate a full script. We have some options where you could get some ideas for a short or a TikTok, and then we can also test some of these titles in our A/B testing lab. So now we have our video script outline. It gives us a great hook here, an introduction, some main points to cover about this topic, a call to action and an outro. So we can save that to notes. If you want, you can generate a full script. We can test a couple titles, or we can generate some A/B testing titles. So you can use this tool for if you already have a video, you have everything done, you just want to test some titles, you can do that as well. There's a community post generator. This is something that is underlooked on YouTube. It's always great to have some community posts ready to go. Now it generated some A/B test ideas for a title, a different thumbnail concept. So we really have at least everything we need to get a base video done. We still have to record the actual video. So now that we have all this saved to our scratch pad here, so these are all saved for you that you can easily copy and paste. If you want, if you wanted to do a chat about it, ask AI about it, you can do that, and you can easily just email all these notes to yourself or save as HTML, and they're going to save on your computer as local notes, and all of your information is here to work on this viral video for food, based on, hey, the holiday season coming up. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. If you have any questions, pop me an email. Let me show you how I use YouTube Creator AI for all my video topics and scripts here. So I ran a topic scout on Mark Wahlberg here. I have a video that I did about this topic, number one, that has been pretty popular. So I kind of want to expand on some additional topics. So you can come here to our topic scout, put in a custom niche or a category, and get a video ideas here. So these are 5 great ideas that I can do for a video about Mark Wahlberg. What I'm going to do, though, because I want to save a little bit of time, I'm going to come to my full script outline here, and I'm just going to paste Mark Wahlberg, real estate, and net worth. So I really just want to do a video about this particular topic. I don't want to kind of break down what's in the topic scout here. So I'm going to come here to full video script. I want an engaging storytelling script, and I'm going to do a long form, and this should be about 3 or 4 minutes, and I'm going to generate a full script. So this is going to take just a minute, but what this tool is doing, it's going to do a live Google search. It's going to create a compelling script, an engaging storytelling script about this particular topic. While that is running, you can always check out other features of our tool here. Depending on what your channel or what you do videos about, you can put in your channel niche or description here and get an example audience persona. So since I'm doing celebrity real estate like Mark Wahlberg, here is some example viewer goals, some pain points. So check it out for your particular channel. Just put in your niche or description here. Let's see what the full script generator. So this came back here. So let's go over this. From Marky Mark to Hollywood heavyweight, Mark Wahlberg's journey is legendary. But what if I told you that beneath the blockbuster roles and fitness empire, that's even a more compelling story of strategic wealth building, a story where real estate plays a starring multi-million-dollar role. So this gives us a hook. Scene 1 gives us what a visual would be, a caption. So what I basically do is I take this script and then just build the voiceover and the media surrounding it. So I'm going to save that to notes. So I just put in these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words with the word "and" here, and got this full script with all of the research here. It talks about his recent move to Florida. So this is all updated and right on topic. So check it out. YouTube Creator AI it's totally free. We have different tools here. So once I have this script now, I can start working on a title. I can copy that, come to the title generator, put in that topic for a title. I can come to the descriptions and put in that topic as well, and also work on a thumbnail concept. And all these things that you're generating here, be sure to save them all to your notes, and they're going to come down here to your scratch pad. So I save the trending topics, I save the audience persona, I have the full script. Let's come up here. My title generator ran. I would probably use one of these titles because it ranked these as the top titles. We can save all those titles to our notes as well. We put in that, it gave us a full description here. Okay, so this gives us a full YouTube description. It gives us all of our long tail keywords, short tail keywords, a suggested file name. It gives us a thumbnail concept here with a celebrity video. I would typically use the actual image of the celebrity, but this gives us what the thumbnail should look like, some suggested video captions, and then you can generate an image as well. Check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. If you have any questions, pop me an email. Once again, all these notes that we saved here, they're going to come easily, nice and easy to your scratch pad. You can click this save as HTML, and all those notes pop up here that you can save for later. And that's what I'll do when I start building this particular video. Check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. Stop guessing and start working on YouTube.